Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create disappearing button in Power BI. So we have some requirement. When we select Canada, the disappearing button should appear, and when we are selecting other countries, the disappear button should disappear. So let's say now, so I'm selecting Canada. So if you see a button appeared here, so when I'm selecting this is navigating between other pages. So this requirement can be useful. So when we have a situation where particular stakeholders has to see particular country or particular require on the basis of particular selection, for them we'll be giving this disappear button so that the hidden page they can only see. So as we see here, so now we are giving this page navigation. So buttons can be used for bookmarks or page navigation, as we know. So now when I select Canada country, so the disappear button is appearing, and we will be navigating there. With the help of this button, we are navigating to another page. The same requirement we'll create on Power BI now. So let's see how we'll create. I'm going to insert a shape now. So instead of a button, I'm just taking a rectangular shape. I'm just placing over here and just formatting this. So while formatting, we just give some text. So let's say I'm just giving it as disappear button. Disappear button. So few things that what we need to do is that, so when we select Canada, the disappear button, the text should go invisible, and as well as the color of it should go invisible. I'm just stopping outline. So we have fill here. So this color and as well as this text color should go invisible. So when we are selecting Canada. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write few DAX functions. So I'm going to use switch selected value with the help of false condition as well. So I'm just writing text color, and I'm going to use hex color code as well. So switch function, I'm just using false condition, selected value. When country Canada is selected, I'm going to give transparent color hex code for that 8 zeros, comma, we'll check that else part later. So first let us test it out. So now we brought it for button, text color. So select the field value and text color, just give it. So now if you see, when we select Canada, so it is appearing. So when we are selecting other countries, or else when we are selecting all the countries, so the button text is not visible. So first requirement is done. So let's create the same for background color. So I'm just copying the same and recreating the same measure. So I'm just making it as busy color. So let's give it on the text as well. So conditional formatting on the field value. Now busy color. Select this. So now it is not visible anymore. So when we select Canada, so it is appearing. So if you want to change the color of it as well, so when you select Canada, if you want to give any color, so you can give the color as well. Let's say on the text color. So if you want to give any color, just select the hex code. Now I'm going to just utilize some of the hex code from here. So I'll just use this color. So let's say I'm just copying this color here. On the else part, I'm just giving this color code. So now if you see the button color change. So for it is not for the button color. So I'm going to give it for the background color. So for button color, so let's take any other hex code. So I'm going to just utilize white color. So now if you see, we are able to see the button with the help of white text on it, so as per the requirement. So when you are selecting other countries, so it will go disappear. So if you see, when I select Germany or France or any other countries, it is not appearing. So we can utilize this button to create bookmarks, or else we can give actions from this button. So as per the requirement, either bookmarking, Q&A, or page navigation, whichever we require. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.